Yeah, I know.
I've seen enough of those.
Yeah, I'm actually tired of it, man.
Yeah.
Well, at least this is a pedestrian that got struck. It ain't no shooting or nothing like
No,
that.
they said he got hit by a semi, but I don't see a semi anywhere around.
Right, that semi must have left. They got a bunch of people over there on the side of the bank.
Yeah, because I was down there before on state line.
Yeah.
Unless it was one of those construction vehicles, because they're driving all over the concrete trucks and everything.
And there's a bunch of semis and stuff on the other side over there.
That road was right on state line.
Yep.